In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tasks in ClickUp. If you've ever ended up with duplicate tasks or similar entries scattered across a project, merging is a quick way to tidy things up without losing important details. By the end, you'll know exactly how to combine tasks into one clean, consolidated record. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in a browser or the desktop app, whatever you normally use. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace so you have access to the projects and permissions you need. If you collaborate with a team, ensure you have at least edit rights on the tasks you're about to work with, since merging affects task content. Next, click into the specific project that contains the tasks you want to combine. In ClickUp, your tasks might be organized inside a space, a folder, and then a list. However your workspace is structured, navigate to the exact place where the tasks live so you can see them together. You can use list view, board view, or another layout, but list view often makes multi-selecting tasks straightforward. Now look for the checkbox to the left of a task's name. Click that checkbox to select the first task you want to merge. Then continue by clicking the checkboxes on the other tasks you want to group together. You can select as many as you need. As you select them, you'll notice a bar appear at the bottom of your screen with bulk action options. Take a moment to confirm you're merging true duplicates or closely related tasks, and consider reviewing the titles so the final merged task is clear and easy to find later. With your task selected, move to the bottom bar and click More. This opens additional bulk actions that aren't shown by default. In the expanded menu, click Merge Task. ClickUp may prompt you to confirm the merge and indicate which task will remain as the primary one. This step helps preserve key details like descriptions, comments, and attachments by consolidating them into a single task. Be aware that merging is typically permanent, so it's a good idea to double check that you've selected the right items before you proceed. That's it. You've opened your account, navigated to the right project, selected the tasks with their checkboxes, used the bottom bar's More menu, and completed the merge. This simple workflow keeps your workspace organized, eliminates duplication, and makes progress easier to track. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in ClickUp.